So I'm going to show you how to install an RG6 compression fitting on the RG6 coaxial cable. We've already done one here. This is a ridge lock style compression fitting. I've got a Gilbert style compression fitting here, and this is it looks like a snap and seal fitting, but it's been branded by HughesNet. It's what HughesNet's shipping with some of their systems lately. Anyway, this Beldon cable prep and crimping tool allows you to do everything in 2 steps. So what you do is you take this, you press down on the little blades to drop them down enough to where you can slide the cable in, and then you let up on it. You want the cable to stick through about that far on the back, say a 1/4 inch or so, and then you can stick your finger in the hole and spin the tool and do it a good 8 or 10 times or so, and when you get done it'll just pop off, and as you can tell it's all ready to install the fitting. So we use the Gilbert fitting here, and we're just going to slide it on the cable. You have to be careful to get it centered, and then slide it down enough to where the center conductor is sticking out 1/8 to a 1/4 of an inch like that. That ensures that it'll make connectivity into the modem or the coupler that you're tying into or whatever. So now we're going to take the other end of the tool. We're going to slide the center conductor into that little metal shaft there. And we're going to grab the tool like this, squeeze down, and boom, we're done. That bitting's not going to come off. That tool is a great tool. It saves a lot of time. It's available at montanasatellite.com if you guys want to buy one. But anyway, it's a simple, easy way to put RG fittings on, and it works great.